ONDS stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is Ondas holding stock or buy? I'll be breaking all that down in this very quick and short 1-minute video. Now here's the thing. ONDS is already in my demand zone, and the one thing that I'm looking to do is buy more, because I'm still going to be sticking to my strategy that I've refined over 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience, and I'm the only person that's documented them all. You know, it's taken me 5 years and spending tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors to come to this point. This real long here, well, this was so sick. Look when I called it out. This was like 2 to the dot. It was a plus 4.5 hour.
I don't think it's simpler than this.
It's 212 pre-market there for 13 days ago, and then beautifully delivered to my top. So I'm saying like this was sitting at 2. I was aiming to 273. Bro, we reached like a $4 level, and from here I'm still looking to just double down and, you know, buy more. But the only thing that's gonna matter to me is a double break here, and if I do not see that, then bro, I'm not buying, like genuinely speaking. So that's where we're at. All I'm doing in the meantime is just waiting for rules. And if you do want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one.